This content is absolutely free. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hello viewers, welcome back to Raj Ka Garage. In one of my last videos, I had covered about one topic that was hot about Honda Highness not being able to do heavy inclines, or rather I'll say not inclines, high altitudes. Sorry for the correction. And there was a advice given, and that remove a particular sensor which belongs to the ECM, and that will take care of the combustion at high altitudes. And the correction was the sensor that was asked to be removed was not actually anything to do with the combustion. It was the bank angle sensor, which is a kind of a safety feature in the bike, which most of the modern day bikes has. And in this video I'm going to actually practically show how the bank angle sensor works. So मैंने ये यहाँ पे bank angle sensor निकाल के रखा है. This is the socket that was in discussion that time. This is the socket for the bank angle sensor, and this sensor is it's vertically placed or fit in the bike this way. Okay, and if the bike leans on either side, either left or right, this much, like 55 degrees plus minus 5 degrees, or this side 55 degrees plus minus 5 degrees, the bike will automatically get cut off. The engine will automatically get cut off. And this the degree would vary from manufacturer to manufacturer. In the Highness it is 55 degrees. You can see that number over here. It's plus minus 5 degrees. And this sensor has I'll just, if I move it, it has a ball inside. It's kind of a it's a roller circuit, wherein between two contacts there is a roller which completes the circuit, and once it moves, the roller falls on one side and breaks the circuit. So that is how it works. So I will just practically start the bike and show by tilting the sensor on one of the sides how it actually cuts off the engine. And like I mentioned, this is applicable, or this feature is available in most of the bikes these days. So keep watching. I'll just practically show how it works. Okay, so the sensor is ideally in this position, and let me start the bike and tilt it. थोड़ा सा बाइक का आवाज़ ज़्यादा होगा बिकॉज वो साइड से मैंने फिल्टर बॉक्स का कवर खोल रखा है, तो द वॉइस और द नॉइज और द साउंड हैज़ मैग्नीफाइड. The bike is started now, and I'm going to tilt this sensor. So it's got cut automatically. मैंने उसको एंगल ऐसे दे दिया है, so it's bent on that side, which is more than obviously 55 degrees. It's almost 90 degrees. So the bike gets cut off. Now you just have to switch on and off the ignition once to reset this, and it will come back to normal. So अभी मैं इसको फिर से start करूँगा. There you are. Okay, so I've done it one more time. So I hope this particular feature explains how it works, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, thank you for watching and happy riding.